Well, this 1976 Datsun 280Z is a JTR conversion with a Chevy Vortec engine. Came out of a 2000 truck that was hit in the rear. About 56,000 miles on it. The only thing we did was put a cam in it. About a 375 horsepower cam. One of those Chevy cams, ZZR or something. I'm not sure what it was. Anyway, just gonna start it. You might notice it has a very quiet exhaust, but the fuel pump is pretty loud if you can hear it back there. Of course, has the AC on right now. So we'll get out. You can kind of see it. Has the original wheels on it, which aren't great, but they do okay. I was going to just put wider tires on it, however most people would want to put some other wheels on it. Has been shaved. There's no side mirrors on it. I was going to put the type that go in the corner, or you can put them up on the edge. The back shaved on it. There's no emblem, no bumper, no side lights. There it is from that side. It has the new seals in it, which is door seals. Kind of got to slam the doors for it to shut good, but it does seal extremely good. Hadn't been buffed out yet, and it still needs to be color sanded. It has a little bit, but turned out to be a whole lot of work on that. It's got the front air dam with side lights removed. I haven't put the emblems on yet. Paint's not perfect, but it's pretty darn good. It still needs to be color sanded. There's a few little spots right down there. I don't know if you see, there's a place where it got dinged up. Not really dinged up, just scraped a little bit. This is DuPont chroma base, and then the hot hues for the flame colors. It's got just a little bit of lope to it, but like I said, extremely quiet exhaust, so it really needs to have a dual exhaust all the way back and with some other kind of muffler.